Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Python on Windows 10. Okay, so you can see here I have a web browser open. I've gone to the Python website, it's python.org /downloads. So I'm on the downloads page and there's a button here to download Python 3.11.0. So that's the latest version of Python at this point in time. So to download that, you would click the button here. I've already done that and downloaded Python. So it should be here in my downloads folder, which it is. So then to start the install process, you double click on the application file here. Okay, so it's then giving two options here. The first option is just a standard install. Second option is customizable install. So in this case, we're just going to go with the standard install, and you can see it tells us here that includes the Python IDEL, pip, and some documentation. So we want all those things. Obviously, for anybody who doesn't know, pip is the Python package installer, so that's something we want installed, and the IDEL will just give us a Python environment then to run any Python code or Python commands. Okay, so I'm just going to click here on the install now option. Windows then is asking me, is this okay? So do I want to go ahead with this? I do, so I click yes. Now it's going to run through the installation process, which should be fairly quick. Okay, you can see we're nearly there. Okay, and that's it. You can see setup was successful. So I'm just going to hit close on this. But now we want to confirm that the setup has been successful. So to do that, I'm just going to come down here into the search area. I'm going to type cmd, so open a command prompt. And then in here, I'm just going to look for the Python version. So I'm going to type py -- version. Yep, that has returned the version of Python that we've installed. So that confirms that Python's installed and is working. So I think also we may just want to confirm that the IDEL environment has been installed, which it looks like it has been. You can see that here. Just gonna click on that. It should open the Python environment for us, which is basically a Python shell environment. So I suppose to just confirm that this is working, I'm just going to run a Python command here. So I'm going to type print, and we'll just print out hello world. And there you go, it returns hello world. So that's it, fairly basic setup process. Thanks for watching, and if you found the video helpful, please hit the like button. Thank you.